Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel English Love 1. Today we are going to start an inspiring journey. It is the story of a boy who came from a simple family and dreamed of doing something meaningful in life. This is the childhood story of Narendra Modi. Narendra Damodardas Modi was born on September 17, 1950, in a small town called Vadnagar in the state of Gujarat, India. At that time, India was still a young country, and many families were struggling to improve their lives. Narendra was born into a humble family. His father, Damodardas Modi, ran a small tea stall near the railway station. His mother, Hiraben Modi, was a hard-working woman who took care of the family. The Modi family lived a simple life. They did not have many expensive things, but they had strong values. They believed in honesty, hard work, and helping others. Narendra was the third child in his family. From a very young age, he understood the importance of responsibility. Every morning, his father woke up early, prepared tea, and went to the railway station to sell it. Young Narendra often joined him and helped with the work. He carried teacups, served passengers, and watched different people coming and going through the railway station. For a young boy, the railway station was like a classroom. He met people from different backgrounds and listened to their stories. He learned about their struggles, their dreams, and their experiences. These small moments helped him understand ordinary people and their lives. Narendra never felt ashamed of his family's situation. Instead, he believed that every honest job teaches important lessons. Selling tea taught him patience, communication, and the value of hard work. While other children were enjoying their free time, Narendra was learning responsibility. But his life was not only about work. He was also a curious child who loved learning new things. He enjoyed reading books and discovering ideas about history, leaders, and society. Slowly, a dream started growing inside him. He wanted his life to have a bigger purpose. He wanted to learn, grow, and serve people. The small boy from Vatnagar did not know what the future would bring, but his journey had already begun. After his childhood years in Vatnagar, Narendra Modi continued his education and started discovering his interests and dreams. As a student, Narendra was different from many other children. He was curious, active, and always wanted to learn something new. He was not only focused on textbooks. He enjoyed reading about history, society, and great leaders who changed the world. At school, Narendra liked participating in debates, speeches, and plays. He enjoyed standing in front of people and sharing his ideas. His teachers noticed that he had confidence and the ability to communicate clearly. From a young age, he understood the power of words. He believed that a good speaker could inspire people and create positive change. One of the people who influenced Narendra deeply was Swami Vivekananda, a famous Indian spiritual leader. Narendra was inspired by Vivekananda's messages about self-confidence, discipline, courage, and serving humanity. These ideas shaped his thinking and helped him develop a strong desire to do something meaningful. As he grew older, Narendra started thinking seriously about his future. He was not only interested in personal success, he wanted to understand people, society, and the challenges faced by ordinary citizens. During his youth, he traveled to different places in India. These experiences allowed him to meet different people and learn about Indian culture and traditions. He saw the lives of many ordinary people and understood their hopes and difficulties. These experiences made his desire to serve society even stronger. Narendra believed that life should have a purpose. He wanted to dedicate himself to a larger mission. Instead of choosing a simple and comfortable life, he decided to follow a path filled with challenges and responsibilities. This decision changed the direction of his life. The young boy who once helped his father sell tea was now searching for a bigger role in society. As a young man, he wanted to dedicate his life to serving society. He was searching for an organization where he could learn discipline, teamwork, and leadership. In the early years of his public life, Narendra Modi joined the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, also known as RSS. The RSS became an important place where he learned about organization, communication, and working with people. At the beginning, his responsibilities were simple. He helped organize meetings, supported other members, and worked behind the scenes. He believed that no work was too small. For him, every task was a chance to learn something new. Slowly, people began noticing his dedication and hard work. Narendra had a special ability to connect with people. He listened carefully, understood their problems, and communicated his ideas clearly. Over time, he received more responsibilities. He started organizing events, working with volunteers, and helping build stronger connections among people. These experiences became a training ground for his future. During this period, India faced many political and social challenges. Narendra Modi traveled to different parts of the country, meeting farmers, workers, students, and ordinary citizens. He learned about their struggles and understood the importance of leadership. In 1975, India entered a difficult political period known as the emergency. During this time, many opposition activities were restricted, and many political workers faced challenges. Narendra Modi continued his work while staying involved in activities connected with his organization. This period tested his courage, patience, and ability to handle difficult situations. Years of experience slowly shaped him into a disciplined organizer and a confident speaker. He learned how to plan, how to communicate, and how to motivate people. The young boy who once served tea at a railway station was now developing the skills needed for a bigger role. After many years of learning and working in public life, Narendra Modi entered a new stage of his journey. His organizational skills, dedication, and ability to connect with people helped him gain more responsibilities in politics. He became an important member of the Bharatiya Janata Party, also known as BJP. At that time, BJP was working to expand its support across India. Narendra Modi played an important role in organizing campaigns and connecting with people. He became known for his strong communication skills, planning ability, and hard work. In 2001, an important opportunity came in his life. Narendra Modi became the Chief Minister of Gujarat. When he took this position, many people were watching him closely because it was his first major government leadership role. As Chief Minister, Modi focused on development projects, including improving roads, electricity, infrastructure, and attracting businesses to Gujarat. His supporters praised his focus on economic growth and development. During this period, Gujarat received attention for its growth and investment opportunities. However, his time as chief minister was also filled with challenges. In 2002, Gujarat experienced serious communal violence that resulted in the deaths of many people. The events created national and international criticism, and Narendra Modi faced difficult questions about his leadership. The issue remained a major part of discussions about his political career for many years. Despite the challenges and criticism, Modi continued focusing on development and governance. Over time, he became one of the most recognized political figures in India. By 2013, his name was being discussed as a possible leader for the upcoming national elections. Many people saw him as a strong leader who could bring change, while others had concerns about his political record. In 2014, the Bharatiya Janata Party chose Narendra Modi as its candidate for Prime Minister. He began a large election campaign across India, speaking to millions of people and presenting his vision for the country's future. His message focused on development, economic growth, and better governance. The journey that started from a small tea stall in Vadnagar had now reached a historic moment. The year 2014 became a turning point in Narendra Modi's political journey. After being chosen as the prime ministerial candidate of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Modi started one of the biggest election campaigns in India's history. He traveled across the country, visiting cities and villages, and spoke to millions of people. His message was simple: development, better opportunities, and a stronger future for India. Many people connected with his personal story. They remembered that he came from a simple background and had once helped his father sell tea at a railway station. For many supporters, his journey represented the idea that a person from an ordinary family could reach the highest position in the country. On May 16, 2014, the election results were announced. The Bharatiya Janata Party won a clear majority in the Indian Parliament, and Narendra Modi achieved a historic victory. On May 26, 2014, Narendra Modi took the oath of office and became the Prime Minister of India. From a small-town boy to the leader of the world's largest democracy, his journey inspired millions of people. However, becoming Prime Minister was only the beginning. As the leader of India, Modi faced many challenges. The country needed improvements in infrastructure, technology, economic growth, and public services. His government launched several major programs. The Swachh Bharat mission focused on cleanliness and improving sanitation. The Digital India campaign encouraged the use of technology and digital services. The Make in India initiative aimed to increase manufacturing and attract investment. The Jan Dhan Yojana worked to bring more people into the banking system. During his first term, Modi also made several important and controversial decisions. One major decision came in 2016 when his government announced demonetization, removing certain high-value currency notes from circulation. The decision received both support and criticism. Supporters believed it could help fight illegal money, while critics questioned its impact on ordinary people. Despite different opinions, Modi continued to maintain strong political support. In 2019, India held another general election. The BJP won an even larger victory, and Narendra Modi became Prime Minister for a second term. His journey from a tea seller's son to the Prime Minister of India had become one of the most discussed political stories of modern India. But his leadership journey was not finished yet. After becoming Prime Minister for the second time in 2019, Narendra Modi continued leading India through many important moments. One of the biggest challenges came in 2020 when the COVID-19 pandemic affected countries around the world. India faced a difficult situation with millions of people affected by the crisis. The government introduced different measures to control the spread of the virus, supported vaccination programs, and provided assistance to many citizens. The period brought both achievements and criticism, as happened in many countries during the global pandemic. Beyond domestic issues, Narendra Modi also focused on strengthening India's relationships with other nations. During his time as Prime Minister, he visited many countries and met world leaders to discuss trade, security, technology, and international cooperation. India's role in global discussions became more visible, especially in areas such as climate change, digital technology, and economic development. In 2023, India hosted the G20 summit, where leaders from many major economies gathered to discuss global challenges. In 2024, India held another general election. The results allowed Narendra Modi to begin a third term as Prime Minister, leading a coalition government. Throughout his career, Modi has been known for his strong communication style, disciplined lifestyle, and ability to connect with large audiences. His supporters admire his dedication, leadership, and vision for India's future. His critics continue to question some of his policies and decisions. After becoming Prime Minister for the second time in 2019, Narendra Modi continued working on his vision for India. During this period, India faced one of the biggest challenges in modern history, the COVID-19 pandemic. The pandemic affected millions of people and created difficulties for countries around the world. The Indian government took several steps, including lockdown measures, vaccination programs, and support for people who needed help. This period was challenging, and different people had different opinions about the decisions made during the crisis. Along with domestic challenges, Narendra Modi focused on India's role in the international community. He visited many countries and met world leaders to strengthen relationships in areas such as trade, technology, security, and development. Under his leadership, India became more active in global discussions. In 2023, India hosted the G20 summit, bringing together leaders from many countries to discuss important global issues. The event increased international attention on India's growing role in the world. In 2024, India held another general election. The results allowed Narendra Modi to begin his third term as Prime Minister, leading a coalition government. His political journey had reached another important stage. From a small town in Gujarat to the leader of the world's largest democracy, his story remained one of the most discussed journeys in modern politics. Part 8. The Life Lessons from Narendra Modi's Journey. The story of Narendra Modi is not only about politics. It is also a story about dreams, challenges, and determination. From a young boy helping at his father's tea stall to becoming the Prime Minister of India, his life shows the importance of patience and hard work. One of the important lessons from his journey is that your beginning does not decide your future. A person can come from a simple background and still achieve great things through dedication and continuous learning. Throughout his career, Modi has been known for his strong communication skills, discipline, and ability to connect with people. His supporters admire his leadership style and his focus on development. His critics have also questioned some of his decisions and policies. Like every major leader, his journey has received both praise and criticism. But his rise from a small-town boy to a national leader remains a powerful example of ambition and perseverance. The message from his life is simple. Dream big. Work hard. Learn every day. Face challenges with courage. And never give up. Because success is not created in one day. It is built through years of effort, discipline, and belief. Thank you for listening to this inspiring story on English Love 1. Keep learning English, keep improving yourself, and always believe in your dreams.